Hi Naptime friends, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much to all of you guys. I am at 500 subscribers. I cannot believe it. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you. I wanted to give a shout out to Jen at Jen's Resin Creations. She just started a channel and I will link it down below. It's Jenny Jones and go check her out. She just put a really awesome video up showing you how to make black and gold coasters out of resin. So today we're doing an alcohol ink piece, and this is really like the third time I've ever done this, so we're just going to experiment together. I have some 91% isopropyl alcohol here, just plain alcohol, and I'm dropping that on with a pipette. And I'm going to be using the Pinata alcohol inks in magenta, orange, and sunburst. And this is just an 11 by 14 picture frame I picked up at Dollar Tree. I didn't prep the glass at all. I just kind of wiped it off with my paper towel, and that was it. I just wanted to try alcohol ink on glass because I've heard you can do it, but I never tried it before. So I just put a little bit of the isopropyl alcohol down, put some alcohol ink drops on top like you saw, and then I'm going in with my heat gun on low heat just to move this all around, just kind of putting my heat gun at an angle, pushing the ink over the glass. And I'm just going to keep repeating this until my background's covered. Just adding the ink, adding some alcohol, adding a couple drops of ink, and then moving it around. And I was also doing this technique too that you'll see. I drop a drop of alcohol, a drop of ink, and then go in and blow with my breath on there. And if you get straight over it and blow straight down, it'll make a circle out. So that's what I was doing too, in between, kind of just blowing in some spots where I wanted control, like where I knew I wanted yellow. I was trying to go for flowers on this piece, but if I wanted to put yellow in the center of one of the pink flowers, I would just do a drop of alcohol, do a drop of yellow in the center, and then blow straight down with my breath. So here I was going in with the rich gold and adding a little bit of gold. I have had a really hard time with gold and alcohol inks. Do you guys have any tips on how to get that stuff to work? This is the rich gold, and you have to shake it up. There's a little shaker ball in there, and you shake it up until you hear the ball rattle. And what I've seen people do in other videos is just do a drop of alcohol, do a drop of gold, and then blow it out with your lung power. And sometimes it'll sit on top really nice, and then sometimes it'll sink. So do you guys have any tips on that? So now I'm just going to go in and keep on filling in the background, adding plain alcohol, doing some of the magenta and some of the orange and the yellow, move it with my heat gun, and then I'm also just doing controlled drops too, where I'll do a drop of alcohol, a drop of color, and then move it around with my lung power. So here, see, you can go in with your heat gun and kind of move it in a circle, and that'll help you get a circular shape. I'm no expert at this, but I like playing around with these. You can make some really cool looking stuff, but it's definitely harder than it looks. I see videos on Instagram of people doing this, and they make really awesome stuff, and I'm just like, mine does not look anything like that. How do you guys do that? And it's just basically they just say practice, practice, practice. So yeah, it's fun practicing. Here I was just adding more gold, so a drop of alcohol, drop of gold, and then just using my lung power to blow that out. One thing that's really awesome too about alcohol inks is, let's say you make a painting and you totally hate it. You can go in with alcohol and a paper towel and literally just wipe it away. And I don't know how that works on, they have these pre-primed boards you can buy just for alcohol ink. I don't know if cleaning your substrate off would work with those, but it definitely works with glass, tiles, Yupo paper. So that's one fun thing about alcohol ink is you can totally just wash it away and start over if you want. I was trying to get the whole piece of glass filled in with alcohol ink just because it's transparent. But I definitely want to try this again and maybe paint the back side of the glass black so you have a little bit of a contrast. I think that might be kind of fun. Yeah, so I was just going in and trying to fill in any missing spots with color, just trying to make it nice and bright. Here's where I think I went a little bit too crazy with the orange and the magenta. Those kind of took over, the yellow kind of got lost, but it's fun practicing and learning. One fun thing when you record yourself doing art is you can watch it back and say, oh my gosh, I should have stopped at like mark 4 minutes and 30 seconds. I should have walked away, but it's one of those things, you got to fight the urge and just walk away sometimes. So here's what it's looking like. You can kind of see the gold on top. I love how the rich gold looks. I just want to be able to get it to work how I want it to work. Sit on top, nice and pretty and reflective. So to seal these alcohol ink paintings, there's two different types of spray you need. You need the UV protectant spray and the Camar varnish. And those are Krylon products. So I used Pinata inks on this, like I said, and I will link those down below. And here I'm just going in, I'm dropping some alcohol on my fingernail, and I'm just going in with my fingernail and flicking it on the painting. And it's making little circles, which were really cool. So my painting's all done now. I'm going to get this glitter paper that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put it back behind it and pop it back in the frame. So here we are. Look at how cool it looks with the glitter paper back behind there. I love it. It's so sparkly. The painting doesn't look that awesome on video, but it is really cool in person. See how shiny it is? But you can see like the orange and magenta took over, the yellow kind of got lost, but you can see the little circles I made with the plain alcohol. Those are fun to do too. I'm going to turn it the other way so you can kind of see that too. See the little empty circles? Those are just from flicking the alcohol on. You could do that with like a toothbrush or a paintbrush, but I didn't have anything handy, so I just used my fingernails and flicked it on there. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Oh, and this is with the flash on. I just wanted to show you how bright it was. It's pretty cloudy here again. Here's some still photos of it. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope everyone is having an awesome day. Happy Friday, and I hope you all have a great weekend. I will see you on Monday for another video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to all my new subscribers and all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. And don't forget to go check out Jen's channel. It will be linked below in the description. Bye!